back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got a yummy cheesy nachos recipe. If you haven't had nachos, you are missing out. Please do try this recipe and do make your own nachos. Don't go out to the Mexican restaurant. You don't know what they are putting in your food. Occasionally it's okay, but don't frequent outside food when you can make everything easily at home. If you didn't watch refried beans recipe, first you need to watch that recipe to make nachos. Please do watch that recipe and come back and watch this recipe so that it will be easy for you to make this. So let's go and see how to make these cheesy nachos that will be done in 5 minutes or less. So easy to make yet so delicious. Your kids will love you for this. Just make it and enjoy it with your family, and don't forget to leave your feedback for me when you try it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And now let's go and see this yummy nachos recipe. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make nachos, cheesy nachos. 1 plate, any size can be okay. If you want to make a bigger plate of nachos, then take a bigger plate. I like to make individual plates so that they will be finished and it's lesser and not too much. And most important thing is mozzarella cheese. I'm using on the border tortilla style chips. Here is it. And Mexican refried beans. If you didn't watch the recipe of Mexican refried beans, please do. It's very important that you make your own beans, because outside beans is filled with sodium, lot of sodium, which you don't want in your food. So make your own beans and control the sodium amount in that. So let's make our nachos. First we take our chips like this and arrange it neatly on the plate. I would suggest do only a single layer. Don't do like layers and layers together, because it won't cook nicely and that's a disaster bound to happen. Now spread the beans. I like to add like a dollop of each on each chip, so that I'll get, when I bite into it, I get dollop. It tastes really good, and it's very easy to make. Once you have your refried beans ready, it's done in few minutes, not even minutes. It will be done like very quickly. There you have it. We are done with this, and we are going to top it with cheese. If you want really good nachos, you should not skimp on cheese, but I'm okay with skimping on cheese because I'm not too much of a fan of cheese, so I will skimp on cheese. So let's add little bit cheese on it. It's going to be so tasty. You have to eat it to believe it. You can also add chicken to it, but that's another variety that I will show you next time. And just microwave it for 1 minute and your nachos are ready. I will show you in a minute how to microwave it. Our chips are ready to go into the microwave, so let's put it in the microwave. Here it goes. I'm on the microwave for 1 minute. There it goes. Let it cook for 1 minute and I'll show you after 1 minute. I think it looks ready, so let's open it and see. Look at the deliciousness. It's almost melted. Look at it. It needs little bit more time. We are going to let it cook for another 20 seconds that is remaining. Here you have it, guys. Those delicious nachos are ready Please do try them for your family and leave your feedback whether it worked for you or not. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't already.